Hi. If you have heard me talk about subconscious programming or existing conditioning or paradigm, that is actually how we exist in this world. And a lot of that, it boils down to our self-image of who we think we are. But what that truly means is that from a young age, we are directly influenced by our direct guardians, and we tend to absorb all of this information through our senses. And here's where the problem is. Our guardians were also subconscious programmed when they were younger, and that those people that subconsciously programmed them were also subconsciously programmed themselves. So meaning we are essentially a collective form of ideas, inherited ideas from generations. And these ideas does not truly reflect who we are and where we're going. And here's the problem. We are making life decisions based out of this existing conditioning, even especially how we feel and how we experience the world. And this is why we get triggers sometime where it's like, oh, why did that person do that? Or why did that person say that to me? And then all of a sudden, it triggers us. Something about it doesn't make us feel good. Why is that? Well, every experience is actually neutral because every experience is all a matter of perspective. So how you're experiencing something is always going to be different how another person will experience it, and another person will experience it. But why is it negative for you? It's negative for you because every single person we encounter serves as a mirror for us to see what those existing subconscious programming that we are operating and deciding and living with our life with. So when you reflect on those triggering moments, those uncomfortable situations, keep in mind that you are the ones creating those environment for yourself. Nobody else is creating your world for you other than you. Every decision that you have ever made is a creation of you. The problem happens because there are these decisions and that are happening because of our existing conditioning. And so this is the work that I talk about, making the unconscious conscious, so that when you recognize these moments, you then can eliminate that problem. Because if you don't eliminate that problem there and then, it will exist in different places, different situations, through different people, through different means. And this is why it feels like we're constantly experiencing the same, maybe negative thing all over the place. But it's not random. It is the divine design that we are actually supposed to learn these lessons. And once you learn these lessons, because you realize you were the creator of it. And this is where empowerment begins. This is where you claim your story, because the foundation of everything is self-love. And when you understand self-love, that's where the journey begins. So, wanted to share that. If you like this content, you can follow my page.